Tense structures made easy. Grammar lesson. Simple tenses are points in time which use the first column verb form. Past and present tenses follow the format subject plus verb plus object. Future tense plus will follows the format subject plus will plus verb plus object. Future tense plus going to follows the format subject plus be plus going to plus infinitive plus object. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. I eat apples every day. I will eat an apple after dinner. I am going to eat an apple for dessert. Continuous tenses are points in time which use the first column plus ing verb form. They follow the format subject plus auxiliaries plus verb plus object. They sometimes require extra information such as a time. For example, I was eating an apple when you called me. I am eating an apple. I am reading a Harry Potter book. I will be eating an apple tonight. Perfect tenses are periods in time which use the third column verb form. They follow the format subject plus auxiliaries plus verb plus object. They sometimes require more information so the sentence makes sense. Ask yourself when, why, or where. For example, I had eaten apples until I was 15. I have eaten apples since I was a child. I will have eaten 3 apples before lunchtime. And finally, the perfect continuous tenses are periods in time which use the first column plus ing. They follow the format subject plus auxiliaries plus been plus verb plus object. They sometimes require more information, so the sentence makes sense. Ask yourself when, why, or where. For example, I had been eating apples until I found a worm in one. I have been eating apples all week. I will have been eating apples for 5 years on Sunday. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.